Now here, I can manage my company settings. In the free version, it will not show social media links or your links for your company. Once you upgrade, you can put in your Facebook, Instagram, Twitter links. If they are left blank, those icons will not show up for subscribed users. You can also see your milestones and presets. These are the milestones that will go into the tracker. And these are some of the default milestones that exist when you first create an account. Then you also can manage your subscriptions here. So we have a default preset for example tracker, as well as the milestones. Right now, my company does not have a logo. If I wanted to add a logo, I would hit change logo. And what I like to do is just drag and drop from my desktop the icon or logo I want to add for my company. We recommend that you use a transparent background for that logo. It blends in a little bit better with the tracking links themselves. So once I upload that, I now have my logo for my trackers. Only subscribers will have their company logo show up in those tracking links. Otherwise, it'll be the Traks tracking links logo, which is why we encourage people to subscribe so they can get all the great features that we have to offer. After the tracker is complete, an automatic email can be sent to customers to ask for a review for your company. So if you want to have those reviews automatically get sent to your customers to ask them for a review of your services, you'll click this button right here and then put the link to the review service you'd like, whether that be Google Business or Yelp. It's really up to you. If this is turned on, but there is nothing in your link section, a review link will not be sent to the customer. You need to make sure this is checked yes, and that the review site is filled in so that customers can receive that question or that ask for a review. And anytime you change anything in the settings, make sure you hit Save Changes right here.